Hey man, you ever look into flat earth?
DNC part 3900 was deleted because it was just a small, short piece. Um, but I want to bring something to your attention here on this how the light actually does reveal more water out there, but it actually creates this like a pyramid effect, almost like a triangle, but a very big one. And it's kind of hard to explain in simple terms, but I'm going to try. As you see right here, how things look like they go down on the left and right hand side of the screen. That is partly due to shading that we do see a flat horizon out there, but because the reflection of the water, or if you want to call it light refraction off the water, creates it to arise directly underneath it and exponentially um, draw down towards the outer edges. And this is just an illusion that's caused by the lighting again. And I always say the light can blind you, um, and not enough can make you blind too. So if you're in the dark, you can't see. If you got too much light in your eyes, you can't see. Um, but all in all, I always see that this horizon changes due to the mirroring effect. In other words, if there isn't heavy mirroring, you get very, very little mirroring off the water as the sun approaches the edge of the visible water plane. But if there's a lot of miraging or mirroring going on, you'll get a big rise up from the reflection of the sun underneath it. Um, and I've got let's see, two more parts before I actually get to the sun departure. And when I get to that, I want to kind of show you on that. And then have you go back and compare some of that to some of my other footage of the sun getting close to the edge of the visible water plane. Um, and you can judge for yourself on what you see. And I've posted enough videos on the sun where, if somebody really wants to do some research, they could go back and look at them and, hey, yeah, it takes a lot of work, just like me going out doing all these observations, offering them for free to everybody. I've always said that anybody that wants to use my stuff can. But one thing I did say that I kind of wanted people to do is send me a link to their video where they use my footage so I could view it. I'm not going to go there and criticize you for using my footage, because the reason I offer all my footage for free is the more people that see them, the more I'm hoping to inspire others to go out and do exactly what I do. I am an average guy out here that searched for my own truth. And in the very beginning, I was very much a skeptic of flat Earth. I mean, I really wanted to go out and debunk it. But the more I observed, the more I had to research and find, uh, this truth for myself. And this mirroring effect does play a big role. Visibility plays a big role, because when you got good visibility, you can see a hell of a lot farther than what McWest's curve calculator calculates, okay? Because they're all using math to deceive you, to blind you with science. Because even at the height that I'm at right now, I should not see a lot of what I'm seeing in here. It should be well over the curve. Um, but here I am doing it and seeing it with my own two eyes and saying, looky there, looky there. This shit shouldn't be visible from my height going by the Earth curve calculator. When I went out to the Hernando Beach Islands and was shooting the Hudson condos over 10 miles away and seeing damn near all the building where the bottom floor was just a little compressed. And also in that footage, you could tell that you could actually see the land that the buildings were setting on in the footage. Um, but, I get trolled on by people saying, oh, well, that's refraction for you. It's hiding that bottom floor and pulling everything else up for you to see. That to me is just a baller's way of giving himself an excuse. And actually, it's not even a baller. These people are trolls. You click on their name and you go to their channel or whatever. They have 0 subs, 0 content, 0 shit. They don't have nothing, nada, zip, nothing. And then they want to tell you that you're doing everything wrong and tell you that you don't know what science is, tell you you need to get an education. Well, why do I need an education to see for myself? I can see for myself just fine. Even some people say, well, I got a very close loved one that says you're cheating by using a zoom camera. Well, really, a zoom camera is called cheating? No, it's called seeing farther than my naked eye can, which when you go by boats going over the curvature of Earth, you find out it's a bunch of bullshit. Sorry for being a little excited there, but it is. It's bull crap. And here's refraction for you. You see the lighting going around the sign. That's refracted light or reflected light coming off the objects. Just like the refracted light that comes off the water that blocks out the bottoms of boats. But in certain circumstances, you can see these boats. You can see all the boat. If it wasn't for that refracted light, you would see everything right down to a T. But also think about how far away this is and how the angular resolution plays a role in it too. Angular size, angular resolution, it all plays a role, baby. Open them eyes up, wake up, smell the coffee beans, because the brew is on the stove. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.